National Children's Hospital is a teaching training hospital dedicated to Filipino children. We have fellowship programs and a residency program for pediatrics. With these attributes, these give the nursing students of provincial schools to have a unique and best experience for their nursing students.
DLSL helped me bridge the gap between the classroom and hospital setting by reinforcing the importance of foundational nursing skills and critical thinking. So in school po, we often focus our attention we often focus on doing our case studies, simulations, and countless return demonstrations. But DLSL emphasized how to apply our knowledge in real life or in real scenarios.
When we came here po at the National Children's Hospital, of course, we were full of doubts, of worries po, because we're so unsure po of what we are going to do here at the National Children's Hospital. However, upon seeing the children po, despite all the adversities that they are experiencing, despite all the sickness, they're still able to smile po, and yun po yung nagpupush sa amin to move forward and to really pursue our degree po.
I get to feel more connected with the human aspect of healthcare. During our rotation here at NCH, I get to interview a parent of a child with hydrocephalus. It was an inspiring story kasi despite having to stay in the hospital, spending their birthdays here, spending their Christmas, then all other holidays here at the hospital, still they remain optimistic in life. I learned how crucial it is to listen actively and speak with empathy. Kasi of course, parents often carry the burden or the emotional weight of their child's conditions. And being able to support them both with information and compassion is something I'll strive to do throughout my career.
De La Salle Pa is one of the best nursing schools in Calabarzon region. They are passionate in handling or caring our pediatric patients. They are eager to apply what they have learned in the classroom settings to the clinical areas of our institution.